reamer, I don't know. You buy these cheapy HVAC filters, and they're junk. They don't cost a lot of money. But now this is the Honeywell. This is a MERV9. I've also used a MERV13. I thought I'd drop down to a 9 and see. Was I happy? These things are expensive. They're really expensive. Now with the cheapy ones and the electrostatic, I can keep it in for 6-8 months. Hardly anything comes off when I wash it off or when I take it out. This is the MERV9, brand new. This is the MERV9 that I just took out. Look at this. I have never, ever seen so much dust and filth. These things cost a fortune. They're expensive. They are very expensive. All this junk would have gone into the room or into my lungs. Worth every penny. Every penny. This thing's coated, it's soaked, it's nasty, it's disgusting. And from now on, I'm going to buy the MERV9s or the MERV, what is it, 11?